In this video, I'll guide you through how to change the PHP version in your Bluehost account. Whether you're updating to meet plugin requirements, improve performance, or stay compatible with the latest features, I'll walk you through each step so you can make the change confidently and safely. First, start by signing into your Bluehost portal. This is your main dashboard where you can manage all of your website's settings and hosting tools. Once you're logged in, take a moment to make sure you're on the main home screen of the portal, not inside a specific tool or page. If needed, you can usually get back to the main dashboard by clicking the Bluehost logo or the home option at the top. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the option labeled Websites. Go ahead and click that. This section is where Bluehost lists all the websites associated with your account. So if you manage multiple sites, you'll see them all here. Next, find the website where you want to change the PHP version. Each site should be displayed as a separate card or row with a few options. To the right of that website, you'll see a button labeled Manage. Click the Manage button for the specific site you want to update. Make sure you're choosing the correct website, especially if different sites rely on different PHP versions for compatibility. After you click Manage, you'll be taken to a detailed management page for that website. The layout can vary a bit depending on your specific hosting plan or the current Bluehost interface, but the overall structure is similar. Look along the top or within the main navigation area for a tab labeled either Settings or Advanced. It might be under Main Site Settings, or sometimes you'll see a more technical advanced section that contains PHP and other server-related options. Click on the Settings or Advanced tab. Once you're there, scroll through the available options until you find a section or tile related to PHP. It's usually labeled PHP version and may show the version that is currently active for your site. On the PHP version tile, you should see an option or link that says Change Version. Click that. A drop-down menu or selection box will appear with a list of available PHP versions you can switch to. From this list, choose the version you want to use, for example, PHP 8.4 or whichever version your application or plugins recommend. Before you confirm, it's a good idea to be sure that your site, themes, and plugins are compatible with the version you're selecting. If you have doubts, you may want to test with a staging site or confirm compatibility with your developer or plugin documentation. Once you've selected your desired PHP version from the drop-down, click the Apply button. Bluehost will then process the change. This usually takes a short moment. After it's applied, your website will start running on the new PHP version. To be safe, visit your site in a browser and click through a few key pages to make sure everything looks and works as expected. If you run into issues, you can return to the same PHP version section and switch back to a previous version. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the PHP version for your website in Bluehost.